We made it to Orlando. Ephraim and I are waiting till we could rent the car at 11 a.m. It's currently 9 a.m. and we woke up at 4 a.m. New York time, flew out at 7 a.m. and now we're here. So in the meantime, I'm gonna show you what I keep in my personal item. It's really cool because this backpack has like a section, put it onto the luggage. There we go. Look at her, she's great. It's so fitting to bring this to Orlando because let me just show you my pin collection. Starting off with the front zipper pockets, we got a portable charger that sticks onto my phone, my wallet, of course, with my ID. Since it was a domestic flight from New York to Orlando, I didn't need to bring, excuse me, the air conditioning on the flight messed with my throat. I didn't need to bring my passport, so I have the real ID that US citizens are required to have now. Some soap. My friend Sarah gave this to me. It has infinite sheets of soap. Saved my life. I'm a bit of a germaphobe. Speaking of being a germaphobe, I stole this wipe from the Emirates flight. I usually carry hand wipes with me, but I've been trying to just lean on hand sanitizer. Now getting into the big pocket. This is just like the perfect size bag for a personal item and for a work bag. First up is my water bottle. Stainless steel, will last forever unless I truly damage it. Then we've got a cloth mask, which this isn't a mask that really protects too much. Let me tell you the honest reason why I wear cloth masks is when someone doesn't smell so good. Something smelly in the air in general. I put this on and I like launder it with my things so it just smells like detergent. Then we've got an emergency kit when I don't digest something. Probiotic if my stomach isn't feeling so well. Benadryl if I accidentally eat something I'm allergic to. More Benadryl. Hair ties, an emergency red light flashlight, bobby pins, motion sickness medicine, band-aids, tons of band-aids. So this is lifesaver right here. But I gotta check frequently on the expiration date of these medications. Now we've got my collapsible grocery bag that holds like 40 liters. This small, but then it gets as big as a duffel bag. So if I ever buy too many things or I'm traveling and I'm doing groceries, this baby. Then we got my Muji pouch, which has the fun things inside. My lip gloss. And then we've got digestives. As you can see, there's some stomach things going on here. Hair ties and more bobby pins. A salve, which doubles as like lip balm and like hand salve. Very moisturizing. And then my AirPods. And then I just transfer this pouch from bag to bag, and like this pouch comes everywhere with me. Now for some big items, my iPad, edit on, draw on, watch on, everything, work on. I just love this thing. I hated it at first, but then it grew to love. This was an enemies to lovers relationship. Last but not least is my tech pouch. So many pouches inside my bag because organization is everything. Ephraim gifted me this for Christmas. In the front pocket, we've got my Apple Pen. I don't keep it attached to my iPad because when I'm dragging my iPad in and out of my bag, I don't want to lose this. I have more Benadryl and Zyrtec for like normal spring pollen. Please pray for my health. Then we've got cold and flu medicine and adapter. That's kind of boring. Okay, I'm not gonna show that. Then in the big part of this tech pouch is a bunch of stuff. We've got, as usual, my blue light glasses. I love seeing the world this way. Sometimes I just wear this for fun. Phone charger, charger for my iPad because my phone is not yet switched to this charger that every Apple device uses now, including my AirPods. This charges my AirPods and this charges my Kindle. So as soon as I upgrade my iPhone, I will just need one charger, which is amazing. But then they're all gonna have to fight to the death which device needs to be prioritized to charge first because I'm only gonna travel with that. Yeah, everything else is boring camera stuff and editing things. We got this for the SD card. Now I think it's time to pick up the car and go explore Orlando while we wait for our other friends to get in. This is gonna be a fun time. there's plushies, Mickey and Minnie. Then we've got mirror, little walkway. Look above the door, it's Mickey and Minnie. Bedroom number 1. Bathroom number 1. Huge Martha Stewart kitchen with this giant island. Stop. The cutest family dining area. Can you see me? Can you see me? This TV is pretty decently sized. Up the stairs. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this. Stop. Oh my, oh my. Go Richie. Dang. Goal, not a goal, okay. Oh my goodness. This would have been my dream room. Come on, come on. Let it go, let it go. This is bedroom number 3, but so far we've seen 7 beds. Could fit like 8 people. But this makes me want to cry. I would have loved this as a little girl. It's so pink in here. Bathroom number 2. Here we go. Bedroom number 4. Bathroom number 3. Bedroom number 5. And bathroom number 4, which is ginormous. I almost forgot to show you guys the pool area. There's a whole other outdoor bathroom. It's literally air conditioned. This is so crazy.
Pagate la pranzo per tutti e poi dopo si dicono essere belle qui fanno drink la Monster rosa.
Nothing ever stays the same. People come and people go. There's a few things that I know. It's how you rock, it's how you roll, it's how you love, it's how you grow.